Hello and welcome to PE Buddy. Mr. D here. Are you an athlete or a sports person or someone interested in fitness? Do you want to get stronger, fitter, faster and better? Well, today we're going to learn how to structure a workout. We're going to learn about repetitions, sets, rest and goals. Let's get into it. So, a bit of context for a workout. This can be a training session or a specific strength and conditioning session. We always start with a warm-up. The first 5 to 10 minutes, we want to get our bodies ready for whatever's coming next. This should be about increasing body temperature, blood flow and muscle elasticity. We want to reduce injuries and get our body ready to the stage where we can perform. The main session, which can go anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, is where you complete your main exercises. This could be a sports session, this could be a workout, this could be a run. And the final step, which is often forgotten, is the cool down. Again, we can go for about 5 or 10 minutes, and the whole idea of this is to begin the recovery process. This can include low intensity cardiovascular work, around 40% at max heart rate, and some static stretching, as well as things like protein, compression gear, and cold water. So let's start with repetitions, also known as reps. So these, very simply, are the number of times that you complete an exercise within a given set. An example of this is 10 repetitions of push-ups in a row. Moving on to sets. Sets are a group of repetitions, usually in between rest periods. Again, an example of this is one set of 10 repetitions. Next we have rest. This refers to the time in between sets. An example here is 1 minute rest after each set. Not after each exercise or each rep, but after each set. So if we put that all together, an example of a workout could look like this. So the exercise we're choosing is push-ups. We're going to do 4 sets of 10 reps. So 10 push-ups in a row, 4 times, and we're going to have 1 minute in between each set. Another example, this image here. We have the reps, the sets, and the rest. Starting here, hip thrusts, 4 sets of 6 reps. And then we've got air squats, 4 sets of 8 reps. Then we've got push-ups, 4 sets of 6 reps, etc. This is a very common format for a workout. And finally, and perhaps most importantly at all, once we know what reps, sets, and rests we need, we can adjust these to suit certain goals. So for example, if our goal is to increase our power, we're going to do very low reps, somewhere between 2 and 4, anywhere between 3 and 5 sets, and we're going to have a long rest period between each set. This is because power requires a lot of effort and we want to be fresh every time we repeat a set. Next we go to strength, which is again fairly low, 5 to 6 repetitions, 3 to 5 sets, and again a long rest period. Similar to power, this is a high exertion form of training, so we need to give our body plenty of time to rest to get the most out of the training. Moving on to hypertrophy, which is another word for building muscle. Now we can see the reps climb up a bit from 8 to 12. Again, we're keeping the sets 3 to 5, and we're shortening the rest period, anywhere between 60 and 90 seconds. And the final training focus we can work on is muscular endurance. As the name suggests, this is about doing an exercise as many times as we can. So the reps are anything above 13. Again, similar sets, and we want to have a short rest period between each set. This table might change a little bit, but the basic principles stand. High load, high intensity exercises, so we want fewer reps, longer rest. Less intense, more endurance focused, we want higher reps, lower rest. So there you have it. You've got the tools to go and improve a fitness component or your sport. Now go and make a workout. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more. Thanks guys, bye.